I almost didn't make this video because this is literally one of the easiest things you can do on this truck. But I figured it might be helpful for someone who's never done anything to the Ranger before. There are a couple spots where you can make a simple project a lot harder, so watch till the end to make sure you don't make any of these rookie mistakes. If you want to see more Ranger content, make sure to hit the like button right now and subscribe to this channel. And now, let's get started. Carefully remove the 2 Phillips head screws on the outside of the taillight housing. If you use an electric driver, be gentle with it so you don't accidentally strip the head of the screw. You might be tempted to yank this out, but there are no secret snap clips to overpower. There are 2 more screws on the inside. Once all 4 screws are out, the housing should come out super easy. Quick thing to note, if you've been following my channel for a while, you might notice something out of the ordinary as far as my taillights. 95% of the body and chassis remain the same on the Ford Ranger from 1993 to 2011. The only changes Ford ever made to the exterior of this truck were on the grille, headlights, taillights, badges, and a few little details on the fenders. On the left is a picture of the taillights that came on the Ranger from 93 to 1997. My truck, for whatever reason, has the taillights off a 98 to 99 Ranger. As you can see, the truck has all the same bulbs, but they're in different locations. So when you go on to this next step, pay careful attention to the orientation of the bulbs when you take it apart. If your truck is muddy like mine, be careful to not let dust or any other things fall into the housing. Or better yet, clean your truck before doing this. The reverse light and the blinker lights use a 3156 bulb. Pull the old bulb from the socket and replace with a new bulb. Whenever working with glass bulbs, it's a good idea to wear gloves to keep the new bulbs protected from the oils on your hands. The tail/brake light takes a dual filament 3157 bulb. If you're working on your truck by yourself, set up a camera like this so you can test to see if each bulb is working correctly. Being careful to keep the bulbs in the correct order, reinstall the lights onto the housing. I'm pretty sure they won't fit any other way, but keeping track of their location will save you from fumbling around trying to test fit each one. Reinstall the taillight housing. Reinstall the 2 screws on the inside, and loosely reinstall the screws on the outside. This is especially important on the outside screws because if you happen to strip the head of these screws, they're going to be a lot harder to remove than if you strip the screws on the inside. Tighten everything down with a screwdriver, being careful not to strip the screw heads. You could do this entire project with a screwdriver, but it will take a lot longer. And that's it, super easy DIY. For your convenience, I'm going to put Amazon links to the bulbs you need for this project in the video description. You'll need 2 3156 bulbs and 1 3157 bulb per side. So that's in total 4 3156 and 2 3157. Amazon gives me a tiny kickback whenever you buy using links on my videos, and that's one way you can help support this channel, so thanks in advance. You can also support the channel by hitting the like, subscribe, and notify buttons. It's all free for you and it helps out the channel a ton so I can keep making videos like this. As always, if you have questions, post them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.